This is Nova Science, just like last night that you saw. This is a beautiful place to relax. There's a waterfall, it's a quiet place, a bunch of butterflies, and it's a nice habitat. Do you know what can live around here? Fish, butterflies, lots of things can live here. It's peace and quiet and a beautiful place. Don't you like it? Come on, we're gonna have a guest.
Oh, you shouldn't have brought me on the show. Hi, I'm Mark. Sometimes I tend to fade out.
Yeah, he fades out. See, his shirt is fading out right now.
Yeah, I'm an interdimensional being, if you will. Well, thank you for having me on your show.
You're welcome.
It's a great show that you have, by the way.
Yeah,
I love it.
I just have a lot of science things.
That's cool. I love science.
You can stay tuned for the next show.
All right.
It'll be really interesting.
Cool.
Bye.
We'll see you later. Bye.